Hi guys, this is Ranish Malan from Pixcompose and today we are going to talk about a simple trick. This may be hidden from you for so many times, but this one is a cool tip. You should use it. Like I am in an office and I am using an office PC and the shortcut keys in the Photoshop are not handy for me. I want some customized shortcut keys, but I don't want to discard original shortcut keys so that other employees will not face any trouble. So how we can do that? Let's check this out. For that we have to go to the edit menu, and here in the edit menu you can see that we have the keyboard shortcuts. Like I want to add some shortcut keys for the undo or redo button. You can see that we have to press 2 to 3 keys for this action. So how we can get away from that? So for that what we have to do, firstly let's create something so that we can see these shortcut keys are working. For that I will take a brush and I am going to paint on this image like this. So you can see that we have created this, we have painted this. Now I want to undo this. For that I have to press ctrl+z, and after that if I want to redo it, for that I have to press ctrl+shift+z. But I want to add a shortcut key for this, an extra shortcut key. So for that we have to go to the edit menu, and here you can see that we have keyboard shortcuts. Click here, and here you can see that I have already added some shortcut keys like F2. Now if I press F2, you can see that the paint is not here. Now if I press F1, you can see that we have retrieved the paint. So now what we have to do for this, go to the edit menu, and here you can see that keyboard shortcuts. I will remove these shortcuts from here. Now let's add them again. For that I will go here, and if I type something else, you can see that it will remove the default shortcut key, but we want to add additional shortcut keys here. So for that what we have to do, press undo. Now we have the default shortcut keys. Here you can see a button called add shortcut. Click here on the add shortcut. Now you can press any key to add as a shortcut key. Now let's move further and change the redo button, add shortcut. Now you can see that we have two shortcut keys for both the actions. So now if I press OK, here if I use ctrl+z, you can see that we have undo it. If I press F1, you can see that we have redo it. Now if I press F2, you can see again we have undo it. Now I can press ctrl+shift+z to redo it. So in this way you can use it. I hope you liked it. We will bring you more tips and tricks in the later chapters. If you have any doubts regarding this or anything else in the multimedia field, you can ask me anytime. My social media accounts are provided in the description. You can access them from there and contact me anytime. And if you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon for these type of videos. Thanks for watching.